As we all know, it is the seventh largest country in the world, bordered by 7 different countries and surrounded by Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. India is a country of diversities. India has a varied and diverse culture, different religions, different styles of arts and music, and different languages across the nation. Here is a travel guide to explore the diversities in India. And if you are a fan of our videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's explore India. Number 1. Jaipur. Jaipur, popularly known as the Pink City of India, is the capital of Indian state Rajasthan. It is a vibrant amalgamation of the old and the new. The old city, surrounded by walls and gates, decorated with drawings on the backdrop of a beautiful pink hue. Jaipur manages to retain its old world charm. Many magnificent forts, palaces, temples, and museums, local bazaars, attract visitors to Jaipur. Hawa Mahal, City Palace, Rambagh Palace, Jal Mahal, Amber Fort, Nahargarh Fort, and Jaigarh Fort are some of the popular destinations in Jaipur. Number 2. Agra. Agra is a city offering a discovery of the beautiful era which is located in the North Indian state Uttar Pradesh. Agra is a major tourist destination because of its many Mughal buildings. Located on the banks of River Yamuna, it is home to one of the 7 wonders in the world, the Tajmahal, the monument of eternal love. The UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Agra Fort and Fatehpur Sikri are also situated in Agra. Agra is one of the must-visit places in India. Number 3. Srinagar. Srinagar is the largest city and the summer capital of the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It is tourists' favorite destination that lies in the Kashmir Valley on the banks of the Jhelum River, a tributary of the Indus and Dal and Anchar lakes. It is also famous for fabulous Kashmiri cuisine, set amidst the grandeur of majestic mountains, Mughal gardens, and houseboats. If there is a heaven on earth, it's here. During the period of April to October, Srinagar comes to blossom and showcases its real beauty. Number 4. Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country, and there is nothing to wonder about why it is so called. Kerala is a truly blessed land. Kerala's culture, hill stations, backwaters, cities, hamlets are really beautiful and attracts crowds from all over the world. There are many beautiful places to visit in Kerala. Kerala is a favorite tourist destination for foreigners. It is a narrow strip of coastal territory that slopes down the western Ghats in a cascade of lush green vegetation and reaches to the Arabian Sea. Kerala has much to offer to its visitors. Number 5. Gangtok. Gangtok is the capital city of the state of Sikkim. It is a popular hill station where you can get a spectacular view of Mount Kanchenjunga and a glimpse of the strong influence of Buddhism culture. Gangtok has many majestic places which will leave you awestruck. Nathalu Pass, Tsomgo Lake, Flower Exhibition Center, Hanuman Rock, Seven Sisters Waterfalls, Rumtek Monastery are some of them. Gangtok is a place for great food, atmospheric scenery, and many Buddhist monasteries. Number 6. Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of India. Delhi attracts visitors by its beautiful, breathtaking places that are rich in culture and history. India Gate, Red Fort, Qutb Minar, Hauz Khas Bahai or the Lotus Temple, Chandni Chowk, Jama Masjid, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Humayun's Tomb, Akshardham Temple, Waste to Wonder Park, Jantar Mantar, Sarojini Nagar Market, Lodi Gardens, and many more places to explore in Delhi. Delhi is a mix of tradition and modernity. It has a major role in making India world famous. Number 7. Goa. Goa is one of India's top holiday destinations, which is famous for stunning beaches, delicious seafoods, cheap booze, and many other things. This pocket-sized paradise is a kaleidoscope blend of Indo-Portuguese heritage. Goa is recognized across the world for its bustling nightlife, trendy bars, lively clubs, splendid casinos, elegant cafes, Baroque architecture from the colonial times, old-style bungalows, ancient forts, and the whitewashed churches. This small state makes you calm and takes you to a laid-back lifestyle. Number 8. Ellora and Ajanta Caves. Ellora and Ajanta Caves are the major tourist attractions in the state of Maharashtra. The two cave complexes are 2 hours away from one another. Ellora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is one of the largest rock-cut monastery temple cave complexes in the world, which is featuring Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain monuments. Ajanta Caves are approximately 30 rock-cut Buddhist cave monuments, which date from the 2nd century BC to about 480 CE. Ellora and Ajanta Caves are considered to be the World Heritage ancient rock-cut caves adorned with beautiful sculptures, paintings, and frescoes. These 2 caves are worth visiting. Number 9. Nainital, the lake city of India. Situated in Uttarakhand, Nainital is truly the treasure trove of Kumaon. It is hailed for being a parent to the ravishing Naini Lake, from which it has earned the epithet of being the lake city. Its hilly surroundings, enchanting lake, scent of the flowering blooms, blending in the crisp, fresh air and the picturesque view of nature attracts visitors. Nainital is an ideal winter destination and a hill station. Number 10. Udaipur. Udaipur is a city in the western Indian state, Rajasthan. It is best known for its history, rich culture, scenic locations, grand palaces, interconnected lakes, architectural temples, museums, galleries, traditional festivals, and the Rajput-era forts. Because of the presence of numerous interconnected natural lakes in and around the city, Udaipur is popularly known as the City of Lakes. And because of the white-colored forts and palaces, it is also profoundly called the White City. It is surrounded by the beautiful Aravalli Hills. It is the best place to truly experience Indian culture. India is a country with many beautiful destinations. These are just some of them. Which one is your favorite destination? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon in the next video.